Hey guys, it's Adi. Yes, it's been a while since I haven't been on my channel for a while, but now I can finally do some stuff on my car. I did get about 3 things that I would like to put on the BRZ. I'll probably separate the videos into 2, just so I can have one of just the horns, the wannabe hella horns, because I've had actually a lot of people that were asking me like, hey, I want to know how loud they are and everything like that. So I'm gonna do that one in a separate video. But for right now, I'm pretty excited. I finally got myself right over here, as you can tell, my lip for the BRZ. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. First things first, it comes in, you know, a weird black, like a matte black, but that's gonna be painted, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this Plasti Dip black because I actually like the way the Plasti Dip actually looks, as that gives that OEM type of look. I use it a lot on my Civic for all of like her lips and her side moldings, the side mirrors, everything like that. I use Plasti Dip for a lot of things. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and paint this lip with Plasti Dip. It is kind of chilly out. As you can see, I have my jacket representing my boy J&J Imports. If you guys live in Orlando, Florida, and you guys have a Honda or any type of Japan car, I guess, he works with all that. Actually, my car Lola, she loves him. Like, she works perfectly with him. So if you guys are located in Orlando, Florida, go ahead and check out J&J Imports. He does a lot of he started doing body work and painting as well. If you guys want to paint cars too, he's a mechanic as well, so he does all the other stuff from swaps to suspensions to anything. And even if you guys need to change out tires, he also has that too. So go ahead and check him out. If you are interested, just comment below and I will go ahead and give you his information if you guys are located in Orlando, Florida. Sadly, but I don't live there anymore, so I'm here in Texas. But we still communicate and he still comes by and checks out Lola sometimes. Now he has to look at my BRZ. Anyways, back to the lip. So what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and paint this Plasti Dip. Even though it's chilly outside, people, if you have not used Plasti Dip, I have used them on the rims if you saw my other videos. It actually doesn't matter the condition of the weather, except for if it's raining, guys. If you're gonna go ahead and test that out and be like, hey, let's paint whenever it's raining outside. That's not smart. But yeah, and it dries pretty quick. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Stay tuned.
The thing I bought was the side markers. I had to get them clear because I actually like them a lot better on a white BRZ than the amber look. Even though I'm trying to do more clear look in a way with the BRZ because of the fact that Lola, she has all the amber. So I don't want to have 2 cars that look about the same, so I wanted to do this one a bit different. So yeah, because a lot of people like Civics with clear and I don't. I like them with amber. And people like the amber on the BRZ, but I like the clear. So yeah, I'm kind of opposite. So yeah, we're gonna put these things on, and I'll show you this. Alright, the lip is down to on the little cardboard here. You want to go ahead and do that. What's cool about this is that it actually comes with the screws that you need. So yay, thank you. That's awesome. So yeah, just like every single painting you have to do, make sure you shake this for a couple of minutes. People do it like this, I do it like this, it all doesn't matter. Just make sure that you go ahead and just shake this up before you start painting. Also make sure when you buy Plasti Dip, look at the barcode, make sure it says black, just because the top usually would say it looks black, because there was a time that my fiance went ahead and bought a Plasti Dip that was actually purple, and my best friend did the same mistake. So guys, make sure that you read the barcode that says black if you want it black and not purple. Okay guys? Alright, once the lip is painted, we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I can't wait. Woohoo, I can't wait. I've been wanting this lip for like ever since the car. Alright, sun's out. As you can see, beautiful. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace these for the clear ones. Like a little, see what I was saying is that she has the amber look. So we're gonna change this one for the clear look.
Sounds so loud. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, went ahead and turned on the car, yes, because I haven't turned her on today. So, I had to turn on the Civic too. It's been a while.
So you want to make sure you put the right side. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. Oh, it just doesn't match. It matches. It doesn't match. Match. Doesn't. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay, as you can tell, I'm bored. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change this, and yeah, hopefully it turns out good. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and use a flathead to pop this shit, and it's gonna be hard to do this myself with the video, so let's see what it is. Dude, I love this tool. Like, it's a flathead. I'm gonna take it out. Screwdriver. I love this thing. Alright, so what I did here, there's these like little flecks here. I try to like squeeze it with a flathead right here. And I did pop these screws off just to give me a little space. You really don't need to do it, but and once this pops out, whenever you pop out the bumper, you're just gonna pop out just a little bit. You're gonna hear like a big pop, you know, so don't freak out. It's just popping out of here. But yeah, then all you have to do is just untwist this. As you can tell, it fell. So yeah, and we'll go ahead and put on these clear ones. All right, first one on. Now we're gonna go on to, look how pretty she is. Difference. Yes, now to the other.
And here's the passenger side. I felt like this one was a lot easier. Always the first one's the hardest one. Well, that other side always had problems. So yeah, that took me about 5 minutes. I recommend whenever you guys are gonna do it, whenever you're gonna take out, there's like a little clip in here that it's like all these that you just kind of like pop the front and then it pops the rest. When you're gonna put it back in, just go ahead and have this out, pop in the clip, then put this on to pop it in place. Because the other side, I was trying to do it the other way, and trust me, not a good way to do it. But yeah, so you can see how she looks like. Look at that beauty. Just the little details is what makes the difference. Yes. On to the next project.
Alright, after you guys go ahead and take all the little clips in the bottom of the BRZ, there's like 2 screws that are 10s. They are the side markers. And you want to take out all of these so you can take out the whole bumper. And now the lip is on, side markers, and that's how she looks. It gives it a little look, beautiful look, sexy look. Now I gotta go wash it.